Hey, I'm Nick Friend, and I want to tell you about my favorite rule to get more cinema out of your cinematography, and it's called the 5-7 rule. And if you follow me over here, I'll tell you all about it. Right, so the 5-7 rule, obviously there's two parts of it. There's the 5 and the 7. So I'm gonna break down the 7 before I tell you about the 5. Okay, so the 7 shots that are used in all of cinematography are an extreme wide and establishing, a wide shot, a full shot, a medium shot, a close shot, and an extreme close shot. And what the 5-7 rule is that you get to choose any 5 of those 7 and use them in order, and you'll create a cohesive visual story that supports the rest of the narrative. So to do this, I have to create like a fake scene. So all I'm gonna do is just fold up a piece of paper. That's the narrative. A man walks up to a table, sits down, and folds a piece of paper. And just for fun, I'll add some like really moody music to make it, you know, more legit. Okay, so you can see just by using 5 angles out of the 7 that are conventionally available to us, I was able to craft a narrative using visuals alone that told a story from beginning to end. Yes, it was a simple example. I was just folding a piece of paper. But when you combine the 5-7 rule with a bunch of other cinematography principles, you can tell a compelling story with just visuals alone. So you can take this and put this into your own practice regardless of context. If it's a fishing thing or if it's a furniture thing, whatever it is, you can use the 5-7 rule to dictate a narrative story without story per se. And that will create a more compelling visual for the audience to grasp a hold of. All right, well, I hope you like this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.